The ceramic barbecues by the Bastard are truly versatile cooking machines, and whatever you want to cook, you can do it on the Bastard, allowing you all these different cooking styles and techniques. Think of direct grilling, most famous for grilling steaks, pork chops, delicious vegetables that you can give that caramelization and those grilling looks and flavors. Secondly, there's the low and slow technique. Placing plate setters within the Bastard allow you for direct heat creation, which you can infuse even with smoke by adding chunks to your charcoal. And this is an ideal technique for doing those slow roast, big pieces of meat. Think brisket, pulled pork, spare ribs even, that you want to give that heat at a lower intensity but for a longer time, infusing those flavors while rendering out those fats. But you can go a lot further than that by accessorizing your Bastard. An example, the pizza and rotisserie unit, allowing you both for ideal pizza making and that rotisserie technique where you can slow roast those delicious pieces of meat while they baste themselves. And maybe one thing that's also important to tell, by using charcoal without smoke wood, you can bake in your Bastard. Whether it's bread or pastry, deliciousness will come out of it.